How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So welcome back to another tutorial. If you need to blur someone's face, or license plates, or anything else in the CapCut app, then follow this simple step-by-step tutorial. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Let's open the CapCut app, and then create a new project and select the video that you want to edit. I will blur the license plate on this car, so let's start. First let's add the blur effect. Click on the effects icon here. Then click on the basic button. And here is where our blur effect will be. You have a couple of different blur effects, but I'm going to choose the basic one right here. And click on it one more time where it says, Adjust. Now you can drag this slider to adjust the blur strength. I'm going to drag it to the right to make my blur effect strong. Now click on Done here. And select the blur effect that we've added, and drag it across the part of the clip that you want to blur. I want to blur the license plates on the whole video, so I'm going to drag it to the end. Now let's go back to the beginning. Select your main video right here, and then you need to find the button that says, Copy. Click on it, and this will make a copy of our video without the blur effect. Now go back, select the video one more time. And find the button that says, Overlay, and tap on it. Now select the second video. This is the video where our blur effect is. And now find a button that says, Mask, and click on it. You have a couple of different mask shapes here. A circle mask is good if you want to blur someone's face. And click on the little invert button here, since the mask is inverted differently than we need it to be. I want to blur the license plates on this car, so I'm going to choose a rectangle mask. And you can drag these arrows in order to adjust the width and height of the mask. And in order to make the mask smaller or bigger, just pinch to zoom. As you can see, we've created the mask and blurred the license plates, but we need to make the blur follow the license plates, so we need to use the keyframes. So click on the little keyframe icon here. We've added our first keyframe. Now click on mask one more time. Go to the next part of the video, so scroll a little bit. Now adjust your mask. Make sure that it follows the part that you want blurred. And adjust its size if you have to. Then click on check, and another keyframe will be added. Now scroll and repeat the process. Click on mask, adjust the mask, and done. Add as many keyframes as you have to. And when you finish, you can export the video. So that's how you can blur parts of the video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.